children. Now visit. Now I be person way free. You understand me? Because I don't even get time for men that time. What happened to me see inside my body? So that guy was just like calling me. He go give me money. Sometimes he go dash me €100. He go, yeah, I come say, this guy na good guy. Come say, anyway, not being when say less, on come happen. He can't say, what is less come do for my house. The guy, this mic, he can't ask me question. I can't say less come put things for my house. Say less put things for my house. Now, so you did not tell anybody you. Say let's put things for my house. You got to get near man. He make your part time, my Mike, no the Jamie, that boy. He might give me a dinner. That Mike also, my one of my major guy, major general where I know for Nigeria, na soldier. When Mike come my house, I know everything. The way Mike they do, I know everything. I know they see physical, but the way you they do, I'll feel read you, know the kind of person where you be. When Mike come, I say everything. Major general, my friend, soldier. Mike he can't tell me say your guy pata want give Mike many million. Me te buy more to come give him for Nigeria. I can't tell Major say Mike now for one now. Mike go chop your money, Mike can't spoil me for Major. My friend Major can't invest for me. Say na me be bad person. What damn yo? They go Mike can't for one Major. With your guy pata. Now Mike, that Mike for them, no if you go Nigeria. If you go Nigeria, don't bam. Una say as God they save me. If to say I don't tell Major General say Mike na 419. If you do business with Mike, you know see the motto, you know see anything. She be for them for big problem, my people. More not all truth. Yeah, ya honkwe soja yeah, wa zegbe nya mi tan nya mo ya rega nya mi tan wa. Thank God. After Major come call me say Mary, that Mike na true you talk oh. If you see what you do my guy, come say I tell you now. I talk am. This thing where I talk, so me and Mike, see they call oh. Me, if you be bad person, I go tell person say you be bad person. Even though say be my friend, I don't send you. Because I think me where do yak balo me kwe agwa. Now let Mike I thought say let's come put things for my house. So let Mike. Before you know I don't even know. Me I'm on the Mike him man. Say let's come say agama. Me we one na. Ni meje raslik pa yo waro wi yegi de me mi woni. Where the gbedu ati agama me. Vi me una de no agama ji. Imata rokba. Because me no expect say Mike go talk. Not be when say let's come verse come go send me to Evie. Not be me cause they see say Evie cause they cause me for live video. I can say hey. Evie cause they talk. Say less Meriados say yeah you put things for our house. I can say Evie tell see here this one. Me not see tell Evie. Hey me na wa do gbali me. I wasn't say less imata amen. Stop it. Say less no here. Say let's go tell Evie. Say less la de wana. We ma ogen we ta ye gbi me ni video ya we live video. Wherever no ya di me. You say now one fish me te dey cook. You say me I be dog. You say you know me say me they fuck me Meriados. Not be you talk. I die. The only thing when I do, I come out for my garden and naked. I swear for the two of you. I do one Evie. Yes, because ima by my va if you get nani. Na me actually dog I mean I don't do your bad and I mean what be all this now? I was just like, what is all this? I was crying inside cold winter. I was swearing for Celeste and if you say iga on pa ever Celeste Vivie woman now. I cried pepe. The father of my children, the one with that one do not want even they pay me. Only me gaje. E Celeste Vivie me ga zese yegbere. I die. Me die. And you so we are all that when I say less. You see, say no good men the life of person head. You see life as the turn now. You never even see anything now, stainless. This is just the beginning of your life. Shebi you say if anything happens, say no they shake you, go use it, go they smoke and throw away. Smoke igbo na igbo magi hon. Igbo magi remove all this things you hure. Umie no say where. You never see chonchin. Yeah, no they cry again. No cause where you go cause anybody where they support that bat where go meet them. Never. Rather all those causes go come to you. You go kill only you, not kill your children. Never. Walk back here businessless. Walk back where you walk here big. Stainless was a blackmailer. Big one. Big one. More cure boy. I need a cure boy day in where we may. What were telling me? You think I'm a live video presenter? Me live video my way. I'm not so done I was like, I was, oh my God, what is all this? Oh, why are you again? Now when they laugh me, mediators, not the shame. I was saying, what it be not the shame? Banning my vision, what it be not the shame? Now you can't cry, say, bad they do you all these things. Now beside the journal battle, me see they come for that one. Waiting out bad talk, say you talk now, all not truth. But what see you go? Ya 20 boy ya meri dosi gbogbo wagare wa ni gbogbo when ma we me you not do me. You not do me when ma we me. Go not and go no ve. I'm the witness. Give me na give me. Ye ragmo. No, for that Esther and Destiny, it was just a comedy, man. It's not just a comedy, it was real, you know. It was, I don't like it when men fuck everywhere. I hate it. I just hate it. I did the video and I deleted it. So any blogger will carry on, you know, anything we see anything the person may take on. I don't talk my own. I know what I know the message when I send. I know the message when I send. The good man they stay with one woman. Oh, me respect. Oh, mo go. No wa Africa. Wa me kono mo say. Eka we ben. He awa no. Uma kono ho Africa yo. Oga iwo or destroy life you. When the destiny now, destiny is not a happily man. It's like he's destroyed. It's not happy. Can be spraying money. It's not happy. Okbe no happy. Oni okbe no. Ni a o ha gbaro keke mo. Only no happy. Umana na edewe no ko okonero wodo no mego o ma be happy. It's just like that. So I'm not regretting the video that I make about Destiny and Esther and the rest. It's not good. Destiny supposed to stay with the woman where two of the start life where they say Nadia. Nadia. I don't know what happened between. And it's a relationship, the time we two of now they suffer, no Destiny no live now when you can't get money, you can't go start to the fuck women. You know say all those women, they don't get job. They go use you they destroy your life. And it's truth. It's not ordinary eyes. That is why a man you have to be very careful when you are in the midst of women. Be very careful. Motamu wana na ijuwa. I feel boy can you so come destroy life you way. Where get life was destroyed the way you are you too much. This is just for all my fans, all my wonderful fans. If you are a man, says that is not a relationship. Relationship is how you make your home beautiful, you know, how you arrange everything, how there is peace. Sex, now, sex be like when you play game. You can't play game now. You see who go win. Now be says not be relationship. Now you sometimes you see joke through play do relationship. Another things day with the matter of relationship. Now they talk. It's not good. It's not good. Make man. They give woman belly. Give this one. Good make man. They with one woman no matter what. That is my message. I'm not regretting it. I beg all my men that are following me. Okay? One woman is better. Do not say that it's an African tradition. You will destroy your life. Old age, you will be crying. It's truth. Atawa gwale privacy where the be ya vie baye. Vaya uji. So that is that. So let's stop crying. Okay? Nobody will cry with you. In fact, I'm laughing at you. You are just like a crazy person right now. You are mad. Maybe you say you are a Igbo smoker that if you smoke Igbo everything. Hey go. Hey make an orie. Hey go. Uka wene. Uwe. Damanuma. Don't manuro ya makame manuro ya. Nuwe ba we me watana. Viagi uwe. Uma pity me no hona go through. Me social media. How much time do me social media? Hey, I don't know social media. I don't know how they do. I don't know say you know if you talk something for tell them something. I don't know. Me now the few we plan. Already 200 euro go be one day. Now with action. Now why? Why should I bring 200 euro for you? Now so I want that. Okay. Now you like one chance. I just realized that I'm dead. Yeah. So say let's stop crying. Okay. I told you that Abbas look for you because you are a crazy person to use to do election. And Geliano. Every meta. Oh yeah, Abbas veta. Getting a just let's ya. In a geli way. Me a telling you me does now. Every time I know they call people the gossip because I'm not a live presenter. I'm not someone that very me. I say, oh, what I'm begging me now. Me lads, I was sitting me. I begging me, mama. You don't go even know whether I be Nigeria person self. Talk let's say it's all that live video. Hey, mata. So now they understand where they go. So Abbas say, "Igele luwe." So let's all get luwe. Una do ame. Oh, me give me. You go worry now. She's a gold digger. Yeah, gold digger. They told me, oh. They told you, wow. Me. I want to me be trauma. Me, no. Azen. Oh, no. Oh, ne rivière dark bar. When I know some that me. When I had the bear black me, me and it's a law. No, I tell you, now, yeah. You can't record me the keeper. Say, oh, very, I go, me, woman, here, cake, beno, ya, cake, beno, that beno, wagon, ya woo. Or less, we me, why me, I may boy out with her because it might not live here, me, buno. Me, I don't even know where I be. I don't know where I be. I don't know. If person do me something, if I do like this, oh man, you must me a he webo, he say pastor. You get when I small, when I be baby. I know we work. I thought all this in several times. Many times. Iyawo mama nebo. The day for passage house now. I know all this our papa parents. Iyawo say, this your pikin go through where? Now me the talk so. Go through where? They break Iyawo pikin die. Mama tell me. The thing is shock now. Come here from why Iyawo pikin die. They break pikin will not sick. Mama say no. So sometimes I look at myself in the mirror. I say, who am I? I don't know. So I know they talk this someone and they fear me. Say me they just like I will be calm, but we mudia man only live here. Man, if you want to come close to me, just come with a good mind. If I come close to you with a good mind, and you do like this for me, say, because if I go to people, I go with my heart. But anytime I go to people will call that person, hey, Mary, hey, you are running from an angel. I can even protect you. Yes, he protects you. He go when me aya will say man he fe ko yele ye bani we mami you emi ya pe no waso when wa me beg him no hia wo wene we be he. So that is it. Me I not go into my life too much. That one I just me those I am an angel. You understand me? I have a very wonderful mind, but I'm hot-tempered. You're tempered, me, Ari. Hey, me. I might run a man, Jimmy. Igme now, unumena. Hey, one no, I don't get for to fight. You the igme now, wow, I don't be me. I know they fight. So, not just not that one. And they hear me so. Wanna leave me with those alone. I am an angel, but what they come out of my mouth, it make people scared. They don't come the fear. Say, mire to sina why mo ame yo ma mi ropa wa bu me wa ha bu me ado ye ko no mo ya bu me ade wa je ke da ya bu me ado mi egbe maybe he emi na wale le me here wa gbo a o di with we na you can know. I just be like this they go me ima ona ya ke me ime de o na like me de na ma like me or this person want me you wete we agbi me we me o de put de nya we already. Oh yes. Hey, me I tell na wetin happen na remember when they carry me go awebo where all the social media people they happy say hey how me they don't need to agbe. Well, ima we wa me home now the person we near me na go feel know me person we near me like this na go feel know me. They carry me go away, but then say I show person say they shake prick. You know, read them, not be them and carry us go away, but na him now. After they can go change the story, say me if you beg you gyowa. I go see Jimmy. They never be yourself only baba na ye. Mama gonna say okay. They say now tomorrow they want bring the recording where I take if you beg you owa. He Jimmy one okwa. You know be Jimmy. Now mama. Yeah, but them at no me so Italy no ma here. Na be ya. Yeah, when don't want me at level do, ya want me. Yes. Me rock ba because I love my land so much. Mama say as they can reach where they want play the video for our web. If you the mic me. Video mama say in the do the lights. Walk be agboya ke ave ti o ma ave ipaya modia. Walk be video. Oh take be buy ma walk be ti an dancing. E ma walk be sing. E video mark be. I was like, oh my God, how come I was like, oh thank God do. E o salo boya te ya one men now. Yes, I many e o me rock ba. If I want because I want to be coming to Benin. Again, even higher as in Gyowa me. Yes, all these people they say go and drink water no, you don't have to be ashamed. It's your land. If you talk what is not good, you drink water so you will not misbehave again next time. That is it. So, stainless, go and sleep. Evakoi arrow. Hi. He said, let's no. Bella Gnonia. It was said people of social media where una the guy that the drag chair, he goes, me there me social media wrong person we work we can wrong over wrong. Me I come back to my life here when we can't do this social media. It's not a good thing. So let's deal with me. I don't even remember that time, self. He me a fait vega até se lestan go ya toge. Today unko they cry. Abat, you got nowhere go. One no, go no is toge. You ask him. Hey toge. One no kakabo. Yani we go no gungbene no gungbe no gunne yemi opada what your body afia wo we kakabo what your bo no ya lawa yo for you to your centers you get the chapa kama emi ya na about it na lie nonsense and ingredients. You make bad job where Mwagi Akbar. Abat, you don't see your life. You don't see your life as your life can't be like crayfish. Opakara. Your life bend. Abat. You see the way Governor Obaseki use now. Governor Obaseki mungwa selisido. Ona the egg baby toza. Ona with one in social media. Governor Obaseki na le for. Ona gege brabe o meme no roge stainless. Yes. Waiting Governor Obaseki that letter we write to stainless. You not a brabber. Not making out do you know. You don't know. You don't say sinless now. Erame no ma. Seless nirame. Seless nirame. On ye seless gualo. On ye governor Obaseki gualo. So ne seless ne de gbe tie ni no tie bo no bas na bat. Abat if you not stupid, as Sinless they curse you, so why governor not talk to Sinless may not they curse you again? Because you are a miscreant of Edo State. You don't know. All of now they take all like nothing, like shit. All these people or governors, you don't. They not take anyone like anything. About governor not take you as anything. Take you like crazy boy. When they sit down for social media, they say, "Ogba, my governor." Now they thought say you go school, say walu Westernless. Wakpa wa Westernless waki mane de yokpa for avokaka. One baby no wak bele gbugwa na we. When nye Obase adegbe Obaseki. Nye wa governor here. Abat wogi wazuo. Wa Westernless wadwa. Jesus. You don't see it with your, you don't understand anything. You don't have sense that these governors, these people, they are using you people. You don't see it. Uma bege na getting you when we bazu of social media. Uma bege na. If to say governor go feel can't say about no ever mention my name again for one because on live one. Benuari governor original. I'm very clever. I'm not like you fools. As you are still calling the name of Governor Obaseki, and now it's a shame. Yes. Any politics, nya lava. Oje bok biya here. Oga wa here na we wa gbanu. Oga wa muni ne awe Obaseki gbanu ne. Nye ma yo no gba iga aso ni nye nonsense. Obaseki na the shame for una. You don't know. It 1 year ago, go soon come. It 3 years. Obaseki go come out. That 1 year ago. Oh, you call. You know, did the one where you did again. You don't get at Obase. Where you ma. As bad nah. You not be person about. You not be person for where Obaseki did again. You don't know. Don't mark bon working or that way. Yeah, go Sinless go we sabati ai. Umai. O je we agwa, we gi disk. Sinless. We gi disk. Go no uzua. Esku no ya ho abat. Wo to God. Makachuku. See wetin Sinless talk for your body. Kai. I tell me why are you coral? Or finish you wear bats. Sinless you finish you wear finish you walk away. Chai! Hi, you know what batting whatever we are now. A cracking boss. I whatever nana. Shame on you. A best social media, disgrace social media, or balance your posisi. Abat. Sinless all low way. When we were Louis, we are low. Now don't understand me. If to say the 12 now guess now for join her together, take see us now, take pinch Obaseki make it more natural win for that place. May we look for good governor we go give us light. Hospital, good schools. Wama wazuo. Nigbunane POS, abia POS yantinya. Nya wodoni. Aveni wa begbina. And they are just fighting for their own pocket, what they will get. They are not, none of them are fighting for the people of Edo State. For the poor people. Not at all. Fighting for their pockets. I'm the only one that is fighting for the people living in Edo State there. As I'm fighting for them, they hate me. How do you expect somebody that is living inside the darkness to like you? Inside a row. Inside place that is nothing is working. I don't expect people to like me from Edo State. No, 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 no. Keep your like to yourselves because you are suffering. The like that you want to give to me, give unto yourself because you are dying. You guys are dying there. Yes, so I'm talking. Now me talking. Because why not say why am I? Why am I not? But I'm not binana home no to. Warantawe watana shi wahia fuese. Wahia gwase. And those state people, they are not worthy to fight for. They are useless people. Just because of God, I see pray that one day we should have a good governor that will give us electricity, good free hospital, good schools. Yes, because these fools that live in those states, not those useless people. Not the ones that have money. All those ones that have money. I mean, those ones that have money, they are even see better. You see all these ones that are just useless, that are soft, that don't even have 1 square meter to eat a day. They will kill you. Yes? Aben yon what you wear. I was war. Niate de ban webe. Wagia fight. Na mimi no mavedo. I was war. Nini wagwale va ede. Niyan kawa buwa. Aren't you people stupid? See the way your governor is using you. It's over. Can't you pass the road? You don't see it. You don't see anything. I'm not even shout again. Why me set it alone? Because everyone came when you came now. You say 100 years. These people, they are adamant. Avene fiete. Nya wedding yon nya ye siran. We don't state ivani nya hon. As I'm saying this right now, they hate me. Or what darkness with a TV, Ogike Beni, or whatever, or what? Yeah, what me, they, I hate, I hate me, make one. Do my con. About fighting stainless fighting about. Why? Is the governor you have to fight. If you really have sense, the governor, that day, Governor Obaseki came out, he was speaking dirty, environmental. What is that for? To fool the people that you are a good governor? No, you are an evil governor. Yes! I'm talking to Stainless because of what she did to me. It's not because I hate Stainless. No. For me to insult Stainless and Abat, Governor Obaseki no romo. Because you are an evil man. You think you can make me, use me to insult my own fellow ordinary people? No. Rather, I will talk to them. We'll join our hands together to kill you, Obaseki. Ogbane. Okay. Since Igba, Egelegele seaport. Before you enter, Governor, our Oba of Benin pleaded with you to finish Gelegele seaport, to build it, to do it. You said, Where? Do you know how much, if we have that Gelegele seaport, you know how much go they come at those states? You know how many Oibo go they come there? You know how many things they go, Obaseki Mawe. Obaseki, you not do it because you say, if you come out, another person you call the gainer. That is why, because you are heartless, you are evil. You are asking soldiers to be killing innocent people, when there is no one single job opportunity. You think I'm Stainless and Abat? If I see you, I will strangle you to death. If I have opportunity, I hate any of you in the government. I hate all of you, the senators, the people on top. I hate all of you with passion. I cannot be insulting other person because of you guys. Never in my life. Never. I hate you people. You are heartless. Heartless. Imagine a state where there is no job opportunity. What do you want? I know that the people that I'm talking to now, they are stupid though. but I still have to say it. The stupid people, the commoner that I'm fighting for, they are the most useless people I've ever seen in my life. But I will still talk. A state where there is no job opportunity. They don't they work. You go say me they not go thief. I don't understand this. You may not so no. Yeah, time don't say me those why they call them they go thief. Now even the people that they Europe and they go even talk and pass. Bro, sister, you are a useless person as you living in Europe here. When I hear job opportunity not there for Europe. Even though you not even get documents safe, the center where you go there work now they pay you money, the camp. Now like they talk, why if a boy if you pull a wasona, even he no work here, cause we do what I. Oh, whatever but here wala white, but when they open on the wall, ni supporting ya. Place not there for these people to work. They are inside darkness. These moron people there, they are moron. Because they are useless. They don't join good people to fight. Where may I work? May more than I receive money. In no day, they will go and rob you. Have the nerve to ask the soldiers to kill them. Oh no, now. Oh no, now. Mona still think this thing with me, Makachuk. Mona think I'm small like this. Whether not good thing. See the other one, the other state, he buy rabbit for people to empower them. Rabbit. Now he buy for them. Get one state for Nigeria. Now their governor buy for them. Rabbit. Ha. Why now? What is all these things? Let me tell you, any robbery going on in Edo State right now, I don't blame the armed robbers. I don't blame them. Anybody will fall for their trap. Bona noche, bye-bye. Alagaye. Because there is nothing anyone can do about it. You can, when you will talk now, they will say, may they go government has. Are you mad? Where I don't tell you government has got thief money. Money, where they will say the money? When I will finish this live video. For you to call my line now. When you say that I'm on live. Governor Obaseki, you don't have to send the soldiers to be arresting people in Benin. You don't have to. Let them be stealing. Anything stealable, let them be doing it. Because what is it they do? What is it they do? There is no place to work. There is no place to train for work. There is nothing. They should go to village. They should go to the village and go and farm. Abionu water. May they go farm, may they go village. Why don't go they rob people when they suffer for their money? Now as the government be now, what is it they do? Thief also the Europe, Yes, all these Arabu, they see the thief sometime. As security they reach, as work opportunity they reach. So imagine a state where there is nothing, where the be atave, when you made another thief again, I'm robber everywhere. Can't you people say talk to the government to provide work? My people in Nigeria, in those states that I know, if there is a place to work and there is electricity, they're not go thief. I'm gonna mark this thing down today. Carry barrel, writer, sign up, keep them. You come from Europe, go Nigeria, And they're not even they look yourself. They just get their own, stuff with they work hard. They're not going even say they want even thief yourself, They are, we have pride. Imagine say we get work for a those state, then nobody go thief. These people that are stealing today is not their thing to steal. It's because of what they are going through. That's why they are stealing. Oh, I'm a book bay. Did they hear me so? What of some of them will not get village? Some of them, they not get village safe. They not even get farmland today. The suffering is too much. I know that these people that I'm talking, they are stupid, but I will still continue to say it. Provide for them. Start from somewhere. The government have to start from somewhere. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm not encouraging these people to steal. No. Far from it. They are not a criminal. They are not armed robber. I know my people. We they carry ourselves too much. Oh, it's also a raw. Yeah, now. Why do you not get office with the work? Obaseki, White House, a big government house, not be your office. Ubere, a mountain don't pay your salary. Why do you not put as a governor? Why you not put a job opportunity? Make people they work also when they receive salary. Everyone make a da. If you want build Gelegele support since for 3 months, you don't build. You got on. You don't build them. Boys go there, go they walk. Is it not something? Gelegele support to matter better regular one. The only thing you will know how to talk, armed robbery is too much. We have cases in Edo State. You know that somebody just have to slap your face. As I'm talking, nobody is even listening. They are all adamant. I'm just talking in ordinary air. It's true though. Some of them will not even share this video. They don't share. You people will not share this wonderful video. This is wonderful. This is what you have to share. But never. Oh, black people, don't want no more baba with manona. Who do all this thing? Me they ask, me not the say answer. I see the way they were killing armed robbers that day. You know what? God. Matter. Me a good belly ya. When you see ya, ya gwale wan make binya. Bogman. It's all right, right down. Sonia. Egbe go me. Onagi so right, right down. Egbe go me. Me see need help. Me need person wey go see join me talk this thing. You go they talk to black people. Then go they curse you. You go say me we do like this. Don't say she decrease. Don't say you say me don't say the name magba. One time the magba they do magba. When I was jena. Even we carry, hospital they smell. And you are in Europe, yeah, you see everything with your crow eye. Hospital they smell. Schools, it be like nyama nyama. Inside darkness for this new generation world. The governor will be inside light. The commoners will not have light. No, is it the same way in Europe? No, wavetana. Abi wamemena wagimemena ya ime. Wamemena na decrease. Ija eri wajia. For this Europe, one person, one big office go get like the rest not get. They will put fire for them. Them go you put fire for that office. Wana sununa. Emanike omozo yamahi. This one just make me believe that our black people in Edo State, and some of them in Europe are stupid. When I saw your destiny, maybe destiny best no. You also are in best Where my baby? Oh, one year that's why they thought of destiny like this. That's the bag. Where mozo, where now go not a How can somebody be inside darkness for this new generation life? Awa. No office where them go. Them go say, this is my company that I'm working. A mountain I will pay ya. And you will have the guns to shoot them when they will go and rob. Inyaga me go, for this answer na me, I go thank God they not shoot my head. I'll say, Mona go chop. And for my own case, not even they be like that. As I they drop like this, they sleep as 11 or when. Who they hungry? Who they hungry? Who they Meriados don't come? Mama don't come. Everybody don't rush me. A flexing go your start. If to say I get big money, I for open business, office, company, though they work like my stuff for New Benin. Ask me what they sell for New Benin there. Here go ni me go. When so you have 2,000 your account, 5,000. I they pay 2 people for there for nothing. So now I go tell you, when I not give money, you away. Now me they pay their house rent. I they pay. One fair there for 1 room. I can't remove and go give a room a parlor because it's can't burn. I they pay a house. They go from sometimes I'll pay 3 months, sometimes I'll pay 2 months. Yes. You will think that if I go to Nigeria, they will kill me. They will not kill me. No, never. They will kill me, never. Do man I no. Obaseki, when I win our office, when I take your office nema, ni wina. Umeti, they are useless children. They are arrogant. They are miscreant. They are whose log. There is nothing you provide for them. Why? You must don't be killing them again now. They are hungry. Stop killing them. The cultists that are killing themselves. Now this thing I see cosa. A cultist in no una office. Odo agbamawa. Egbe. A cultist in no urukbare state. There is light. On me better AC wo gware. On me one fine TV. Oya agbamawa. Joe. It's because everything is bad. That is why they are, and it pains me. Not gbamawa, nagbe, eya dime. Okpa no ni mari okpa fuawo. Because it's the same. They are all the same. My heart bleeds. Or you can never see somebody that is enjoying, and say, I want to go and kill somebody. Or I want to die today. Wherever me go. As Obaseki be now. Obaseki, you don't say as they protect your life. As security, they follow you everywhere. Me for not die. Where are going where Obaseki ni babona fear kulele omudan. Omudan ki Obaseki omudan mi an kanu e. Iki an kanu e. E 4 years iwe na where ye gbe no we. Wo yan o wa the 4 years iwe na Obaseki. Because woro po. Me here ti ya tebo na bat. You hear table less because mega already only they go laugh me now. Say see there, I was no. It's a bonia and the celestial what in it. Anywhere on ata ya tobi. Better thing they grand we supposed solve. We not talk more. That is why you are a black imbecile. Ibe. If you look at yourself in the mirror as a black person, what do you see? You don't see an imbecile in your front. Who were your as a black person? You are a useless person. You are not a human being. Yes. The way you people behave. You can do those things, but when everywhere is good, it's better. Ozuo, emi rokpa ema, udegbe ya gie. Mabe, how can you be doing party inside that those states ne kworo? Egani gwavi ayoro, are you not an imbecile like that? Eken when our party dust. We are in imbecile working very only. Why not imbecile? Mama understand it. I'm insulting you people because you don't want to improve. That's why I'm insulting you people. And I will never stop to insult you people until you people will join the good people to fight. Not you, not the better ones. The ones where they understand me, God will bless you now. Well, then thank God say you write and put for years, so you know they my brother, because you they follow me, you they feel me, you they know where I they go, because they want a water. They don't like no jelly water. Eh? They insult these boys. They call them arrogant. They call them useless things. I know that these boys they are fools. Eh? No name. What they don't call our boys for Benin. They no name. But me on over the way no me ya gbon no ni ya wo. No ni ya ra. Black people have pride more than the white people. The white people they don't care. They don't have pride. Black people were those states. Emi ya ro in wina ro. Ya ra. Ya kwe mi where what all you know madam take. I know what I'm saying. We have pride. It's because of what is going on, the hardship. That's why they are killing themselves. That's why they are stealing. That's why when you are going to the market, they will take your money. I will never blame them. Yes. On your manual, when you have a rabbit, because uzua. Every voter, they say, when you vote no magbo, we are vote no me. On your manual. Have you working your Juani? Agbane! Wawa me I go by guys. Wawa back and wa me again ya wawa me because in wazua. So that next election, they will their eye go clear. There was my vote to say. As would they talk now? If I go at those states, say I want to be the governor of those states. They will put my poster because as I talk, so I know my heart. They'll put my poster for every door. Tierra. Don't say I beg you. I don't know. No care about big bag. No man, they will be na waye. Wajina ya uji. Magmone. Hey, apakara. Iga we. I'm a poster. I na say those states. They do it. I want to do giveaway. I want to share money. All of them go ma be. You that we say somebody is stupid, you are the one that is foolish. Of course. How can you judge a book by its cover? Oswo, a wobi. Waga make an guy me wife very ni. What a wese o. What a ruifo no wa. Evan never book and make you what. Why is there neru? Why is there none having a woman if you're there? Why am I tam? Why is there neru? I'm a rebel in Sefik, better you boy. I'm a rebel, no mamma, no yaga, or I was a 40 men. I don't know, I'm not going with only why Juana. Oh, why Juana. One or Taja one I vote no man okay bori. In very inari one I vote me. You win for that 8 years. One na. Oh me akba oh man always lao always continue. And now cause me I read you one. Anybody no love and no matter you why say now people fire for there. Now they get me small. But now not the year they talk so me go